Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey. And today we are featuring a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe all-wheel drive. This is a very clean truck. As we go through it, show you any flaws and how clean it actually really is. If we look at the bumper's very clean. A little scuffing right there. But overall, the bumper's in good shape. No paint peeling, no cracks, nothing pushed in. Very good. It does have matching tires all around and with plenty of tread on them. If you look down the side of the vehicle, you'll see it's very clean, very smooth. Doesn't have any signs of paint work. Same thing on this side. Very nice truck. There's the other tire, passenger side. Mirrors are also in good shape, they're not scuffed up. There's your passenger rear tire. And as we pull back, we'll see that the rear bumper is also in good shape. No scuffing. There's an all-wheel drive. So bumpers are in very good shape. Paint is overall in very good shape. Very clean. It's a 2010. As we open up the hatch, it does have these rubber mats, and it does have all the tools, so everything's there that's supposed to be. As we look inside, you see the back seats in very good shape. No scratching, no ripping of tearing. Very nice interior too, by the way. It's got the leather and the suede in the middle. Door panels are also in good shape. So is the other door panel. Headliner is in good shape. And it does have a good smell to it. Doesn't seem like there was a smoker. As we go to the front, door panel is also good. You do have a protector down there just to cover up the mats. Same thing here. Seats are in good shape. A little bit of stuff here, but this is the side everybody always leans on overall, but there's no rips or tears, so seats are in very good shape. Same thing with the passenger seat. Very nice looking truck, very clean. It does have the wood grain trim. Start her up, see how she sounds. Radio does have XM, Sirius, CD. Miles are 139,000. AC blows cold. Heat works, blows hot. Does have heated seats. Does have your aux, USB, and iPod. I don't know who has an iPod anymore, but if you got one, you can use it. So let's rev her up, see how she sounds. Let's open up the engine compartment, show you guys the engine. There's your Hyundai V6. Good condition, no funky noises. It does have the original serial numbers on the fenders, so those fenders are original. Engine sounds good, runs good. Again, here's a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe all-wheel drive, very clean. Give us a call, 201-440-1323. Ask about our finance options. We offer warranties on all our vehicles. If you want to view our entire inventory, you can view it at www.carconnectiononline.com. Look at the sign to the left. It's www.carconnectiononline.com. Everyone stay safe, and thank you for viewing this video.